Okay, we're about a mile out from the Arrow. It's been an awesome trail, I will say that. I would definitely come and do this trail again. I'd bring some clippers so I can clip some of the brush. Needs a little bit of trail maintenance is what it needs, but other than that, awesome trail, tons of scenery. Okay, we had to backtrack a little bit because the trail I wanted to take is pretty much all overgrown. So we're gonna take another route, see if we can find this spot. .40 409 I think is the new trail. When you get to the Y, stay to the right.
There's a mine on the left side, right where that Y is, with a grate on top of a hole.
Oh yeah. Man, nobody comes out here. There are no tracks.
Right the Y.
Okay, we're finally getting close. Definitely a worked road that hasn't been traveled in a long time, you can tell. There's nobody on here. This is way better than doing Mojave Trail. As a leader, it's pretty tough because everybody's depending on you to find the spot. You take all the markings. I'm gonna say it's this way.
Just follow the way of life trail.
Yeah, I'm following the Onyx Trail, and some of it's kind of hard to read.
That's why I don't use Onyx. You guys see that trestles right there where the mine was? That's pretty big.
Yeah, I'll stop over there and check it out. Just found this gem out here. Not sure what the year is.